Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over there.
So life is Sunday morning. It's like 12 degrees in Texas. Seriously, it's in the low 20s. I don't know what it is. This week we're supposed to get a bunch of ice and snow, so me and Gunner are gonna go back here and change cards out in the camera. And we're gonna take the blind down because I don't want to get tore up by snow. Needs to be took down anyway. If I want to hunt, I'll put it back up. But I can't afford that blind to get caved in by snow and break a rod or something. So we're gonna go take it down, clean up around it. I'm gonna bring y'all along because it's too cold to fish. We'll be back here in a minute. Evidently the feeders quit throwing. Still green. Ain't nothing much eating these oats, which that's generally how it goes. Gunner's eating them. Alright, we're gonna walk down here and get the card out of this camera and see if there's any corn left in this feeder. I'll bring y'all back in a little bit. Alright, feeder's empty. I'm gonna have to get back here and get it filled up when all this goes away. And we're gonna check the cards. You'll see the pictures after this. I'm gonna time lapse taking the blind down, and we'll go from there. We haven't got that much snow yet, but it's getting here. There's a big line that is about 35-40 minutes out. I'm gonna try to get through before it gets here. Hope there's a few good pictures, and we'll see y'all in a little bit. We're finna take that blind down, get it put up for the little while anyway. It's what happens, you get a big snow load on it. I've had it happen a couple of times, and it'll break a rod because they're stiff and frozen. I don't need that to happen. Probably wouldn't happen this expensive blind, but I'm not gonna take that chance. Alright, I'll bring you along while I'm taking it down. Alright, lifers, we got the blind down. Hope y'all have enjoyed the pictures. I'm sure there's a few, not positive, but I hope there's a few. Did a little time lapse here and there. I hope y'all enjoy all that. It's cold. If I'm lucky, next Saturday or Sunday I'll get to go fishing. Not even expecting that. Probably during the week, next week. What it's looking like to me. So, sorry, things kind of slowed down. I was posting a bunch and then it just got cold. Act like winter wanted to show up. It showed